This problem is all about arithmetic progression. Now the question is the sum of three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression is 6 and their product is minus 90. Find the terms. So now we are asked to find the terms. Now what you're going to do is pause this video and try this question to see if you can be able to solve it. Now you have first the sum of the first three terms are what is equal to 6 and the product is equal to what minus 90. So now let's assume the first term is a minus b, the next term is a, and the second term is a, and the next one is a plus d. So these are the three terms. Now what we're going to do is let's add these three terms together. The sum of the three terms is 6. So a plus d, which is this, plus a, which is this, plus a minus d is equal to 6. So the sum of the three terms is equal to 6. So now let's bring the like terms together. You have a plus a plus a plus d minus d is equal to 6. So this will cancel out. This d will cancel out this d. So now this a plus a will give us 3a is equal to 6. So dividing all through by 3, this is 2. So a is equal to what? 2. Now we have gotten a to be equal to 2. So the sequence will now be 2 minus d, 2, then 2 plus d. So this is the sequence since we have gotten a. Now they say the product of the sequence, we just say 2 times, so dot is times 2 minus d times 2 plus d is equal to minus 90. So that's what they got. So now, so since we have gotten this, we can just say this is times. So we can just say dividing both sides by 2. So we'll cancel out this 2 here. You now have 2 minus d times 2 plus d equal to minus, this is will be minus 45 because 2 divided minus 90 will give you minus 45. So now to open up this bracket, it's just the same thing as saying if you have x plus y times x minus y, this will give us x squared minus y squared. So if you open up this bracket, that is what you have. So applying this rule, we now have 2 square minus d square is equal to what? Minus 45. So now 2 square is 4 minus d square is equal to minus what? 45. So if we move this 4 to this other side, it becomes minus. So you have minus d square is equal to minus 45 minus 4. So let's go to the next page. You have minus d square is equal to minus 45 minus 4. So you have minus d square is equal to what? Minus 49. Because minus 45 minus 4 is minus 49. So dividing all through by minus 1, this minus 1 will cancel out this minus here. You have d square is equal to 49. So the square root of, taking the square root of both sides, the square root of d square is d, then the square root of 49 is plus or minus 7. So d is equal to plus or minus 7. So what are the sequences? So you have the sequence before, we have 2 minus d, 2, then 2 plus d. Now for d equal to 7, you will now have 2 minus 7, 2, 2 plus 7. So you have this to be minus 5, 2, and 9. Or for d is equal to minus 7, you have 2 minus minus 7, 2, 2 minus 2 plus minus 7. So this will give you 2 minus times minus will give you plus 7. This is 2 plus times minus will give you minus 7. So the other answer will now be 9, 2, and minus 5. So there are two answers here. You have minus 5, 2, 9, or 9, 2, minus 5. So this is the end of this particular problem. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.